Preparing for this interview, I had a lot to think about. And one of the things that I kept circling back to was simply the role of the job itself. Strategic cloud engineer, security and compliance, and professional services. So let me ask you, what is better than a highly trained and skilled engineer with all of the key attributes listed in the job description? I believe is an individual with all the technical skills and knowledge, but also a strong understanding of business and how it integrates into the company's industry. Hi, my name is Jonathan Shin. I studied MIS in cybersecurity in college. I achieved a master's degree in management information systems and a graduate certificate in cybersecurity. I interned at VMware for 2 years and worked there for 3 years as a network security engineer, and I've worked for 1 year as an information systems analyst. Considering the fact that you are hiring me and will potentially be highly invested in the work I perform, I wanted to briefly explain what I bring to the table and why I believe my skill set is highly valuable to this position. I believe I'm qualified to this job due to my experience not only in the technical field as a network security engineer, but also my applicable business knowledge from working as an information systems analyst intern alongside obtaining my master's and undergraduate degree in MIS. Today I'll be covering 3 aspects of my experience that I believe are highly applicable and add value to the role. My knowledge of cloud and network security, technical software applications, and information systems management. I'll be starting with the first of the 3, cloud and network security. I've been working for 5 years at VMware as a network security engineer and have experience with Google Cloud's platform and security, as VMware's engine is purely built off of the Google Cloud. I have experience and knowledge with identity access management, network security, data protection, cryptography, penetration testing, all in conjunction with Google Cloud's platform. I have an undergraduate degree and graduate certificate in cybersecurity. I am familiar with the concepts, tools, and applications related to the field of security, but I also have a strong understanding of security principles, ethics, and cyber law. I want to move on to the next point, which is technical software applications. I have job experience with programming and container platforms, such as Kubernetes and Docker, and how they conjuncture with Google. I also have additional experience with other programming languages such as SQL, Java, C#, C, as well as web-based applications such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have a job experience with networking and cloud computing. I have a strong understanding of cloud computing and software integration. Along with this, I have multiple network architecture and protocol projects under my belt, and have experience using Cisco and packet tracing software. Finally, another section of the job description states that, quote, "You will help shape the future of business of all sizes, use technology to connect with customers, employees, and partners." I believe my experience in the business school and studying management information systems will aid in this aspect of the role. So, for information systems management, I have a master's degree and an undergraduate degree, which allows me to see the business side of technology and computing. I also have the ability to understand technical coding and networking languages and how it integrates into a company's industry. I have experience working as an information systems analyst as an intern for a financial firm. This allowed me to see the business side of technology hands-on as I worked with advisors and clients. It also allowed me to use Salesforce and aided in the business side of their cloud migration. Now, let me move on. To reiterate, I believe I'm qualified for this role due to my experience not only in the technical field as a network security engineer, but also my applicable business knowledge working as an information systems analyst intern and obtaining my master's and undergraduate degree in MIS. I understand this job description calls for strictly a cloud engineer with relevant experience and skills. However, I believe my extra knowledge of business and its integration into the industry not only sets me apart with the diversity of my skill set, but could also be a unique strength that brings a new mindset into the department. Thank you.